Today we're here in the stunning Cotswolds to show you our amazing accommodation at the Lower Mill Estate. Just check out this fantastic view from our decking.
So as we walk down here then, you get to the property. It has a parking space just there on the left. And then under these nice trees, all really laid out really well. Just looking back up the street, all tree lined. All really nice and quiet down here. And we are staying in Coot Cottage, which is number 63. All really nice. Check out the outside. Got a bench outside, all nice decorative things. Places for your boots if you're here in the winter and you want them to dry off. You've got a key box just there as well. So let's head in. So there's Mark, who's currently staying with us. There's 4 adults here in this accommodation. So as you come into the hallway then, you've got a room just to your right. It's just a little small toilet in there. Then you've got your staircase to the left up to the bedrooms, which we'll show you shortly. Then as you come in here, you've got your dining area with your table, mirror, and the views outside, which we'll show you more in just a second. And then you've got this living room, nice big open fireplace sort of area, and log burner. And you've got your living room area with settees. There's Kev. So plenty of room for 4 adults or children to spread out here. Then you've got your kitchen. Very quick look around the kitchen. So you've got your usual things like a toaster, microwave, hob just there, and your oven. If you're here for a while, you may make the most of the washing machine to wash a few things whilst you're here. Plenty of cupboards. This one's really well provided for with all sorts of things that you need. You've got all your pans and things like that down there. So we've been here for the weekend. Would we stay here again? We most certainly would. Had a great time here, and like I say, you've got everything here that you need. And that's just the window looking out to the front where the cars were. And then you've got your fridge, plenty of room for things, and then you've got a full-size freezer just there. So that's a quick tour around your kitchen, living room, and you've got like a little picture frames thing on the wall there. You probably can't quite make it out with the reflection, but that's your TV as well. So let's show you around upstairs very briefly, the bedrooms, and then we'll show you the view from the outside. Now these buildings are sort of like terraced, but you really do not hear the neighbours. So having a very quick look in here, it's a bathroom, and this one's got a bath and a shower above. Then you've got your toilet, sink, all that sort of thing. And just one of the bedrooms. There you go. Been here a few days, so they're all quite messy. Let's show you this next one. So again, you've got a wardrobe there, you've got a bed, and we'll show you the ensuite bathroom. We haven't tidied up though, as you may have noticed. So in here then you've got your shower. It's all pretty standard, all finished really well, nice and clean when we arrived. And then you've got a sink, little corner sink just down there, cabinet for your things. So yeah, we've had a really good time here. It's a massive lake. You can go out in a canoe or paddleboard, all that sort of thing. There's a restaurant on site and bar and all sorts of different sort of accommodations. We will put a link in the description below, so you can go online, have a look at all the different sort of accommodation that they do here. So we'll finish for the moment showing you the views from the outside area. And then just absolutely fantastic views across this large lake. So yeah, you can bring your own kayaks or paddleboards, or you can actually hire them here on site as well. So there you go, that's your quick tour around Coot Cottage. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we will see you next time.